Well, it's day 16, my friends. How you doing? 30 days of yoga for 2022. What a fantastic challenge it's been thus far. Today, beautiful Monday or any day of the week, morning yoga mobility stretch. I was out of town in Wisconsin the last few days, so definitely off my schedule. A little more sitting, a little more eating out, cheese. So I'm real happy to be back with you to do this kind of stretch. I was delayed about 5.5 hours yesterday too, flying out of Milwaukee. I never fly with me. The last 3 out of 4 times I've flown, I've been delayed at least 4 or 5 hours. So just stay away if you see me at an airport. Today's random question you gotta let us know below is, what is your favorite music album of all time? Let's begin. Shake out the arms and the legs. We breathe in the nose, out the nose. What a beautiful backdrop we have. Blue skies, alligators, and assorted ducks in the pond. Butterfly position, modify as needed, and always use control. I was looking forward to this stretch, and now it's a reality. Let's circle around. Exhale forward, inhale back, getting some mobility into the center of the body, into the core. Mobility, your body's ability, it's knowledge to be able to move freely throughout the day, move with integrity and alignment. As I always say, no matter what you are doing, big movements, small movements, twists, steps, jumps, leaps, crawling, whatever, getting up and down out of a booth at Perkins, which I had the honor of doing in Wisconsin, do it with control, do it very easily, very free, balanced movement. Other direction. We'll just keep on flowing. Keep on moving from one to the next, bringing out nothing but the best in our bodies and our blood flow. All right, one more circle. Always enjoy these circles as I stop and side bend, back and forth. Inhale, exhale. You can do any of these 30 days on their own, of course, or do them in sequence. The important part is that you do them every day with consistency, with panache, with focus, and share them. Do them with friends, family, coaches, and teammates. Okay, elevated butterfly into folding leaf stretch gives me a chance to keep an eye on the backdrop here. Fingers under the feet, lift up, drop the shoulders. So we're opening the hips, we're finding our balance, dropping the shoulders down, opening the chest. Now with the exhale, we're gonna slide those legs forward. Keep breathing, of course. I'll just breathe once during the whole class, nice. And slide the hands forward as far as they'll go. Tuck the chin, folding leaf stretch. Bend the knees further to modify. Rise back up and elevated, there you are. Elevated butterfly, shoulders down. A little rocking to challenge your stability. When you can, toss in the challenges to your stability, to your core, to your balance. Slide forward. Get stretched. Look out, that ant needs to go over there. Okay, very good. Rise up, stack the spine, shoulders back and down, and we elevate our butterfly. Breathing, lots of deep, saturating breaths. Ooh. All right, again, forward. Hinge. Pull the belly button towards the spine as you exhale. Empty out the lungs. Stacking back up, stacking, shoulders back and down, and elevate. Favorite album of all time. Are albums still a thing? I don't know how hip I am anymore. I used to work at Musicland in the mall, so I was all over those albums. Well, those were 90s albums. That was Hootie and the Blowfish and Alanis Morissette. And Weezer. Once again, elevated. Okay, elevated butterfly. Rocking side to side. Churning the hips, opening up the inner thighs, the low back. and forward. Take the heels to the edges of your mat and exhale, spine stretch. As far as you can go with the exhale, squeeze out the breath. Inhale, rise back up. I am tossing in a classic Pilates exercise here for you for some beautiful mobility, flexibility, and core strength. Hinge forward. Inhale, rise up. Let's do 2 more. Tuck the chin, lengthen. Inhale up. Shoulders back and down, our chest is open, our breath is flourishing, and hinge. So 5.5 hours sitting in the airport, about 2.5 on the plane, and then 4 hours of driving to get to the airport. Makes for a lot of sitting for me, Coach Vigue. Not really a fan. Cross the right ankle over the left, and let's hinge forward. Cross-legged folding leaf stretch. Inhale, rise up, shoulders back, switch the legs. I could be active all day, running, working out, biking, when you name it, feel good, but if I sit for an extended period of time, oh, I feel like I've aged 40 years. And hinge. Good. Finding that threshold, find the end of your rope on each one of these. Backward, tall, and then dive. Always bend the knees. If you're having issues with this, you're going to topple over. Bend the knees. Take the tension out of your hamstrings and your glute. So. All right. Again. We can just keep going. Do this for hours. Imagine how good your spine would feel, your back, your hamstrings, your control. Look at that hawk right up there. Saying, yummy blonde fitness trainer. Dive forward. Is he Danish? Get him. All right, inhale. Stack that spine back up. Let's keep going. Should we keep going? Do you dare me? Let's do the Mermaid Merman. Bend the legs, mirror me as needed. Here we are. We're going to exhale. Hinge forward. You can lengthen the arms or place the hands down here. I like to hinge forward and then rock to the inside. Oh, yes. And then back. And then arms up. Hand to the leg. Reach up. Again. Stretch it out. Your hips and low back and glutes will never, ever be the same after these. So functional, so effective, so smooth. For getting us out of some of us are boring movements throughout the day. Sitting, standing, sitting, standing. Maybe the occasional twist, the occasional half stretch done very quickly. These can come in and flush away all those bad habits. And I did hear a toilet flushing when I said that. Okay, up. And now we have a seated, happy baby. Take the feet out. Enjoy. There we go. What have you been doing today? I've been evicting ants from my mat. So we're up here. Draw the arm across. Little shoulder stretch while we're here. Back and forth. Pull it up on a diagonal and towards you. Just enjoying the green screen, the beautiful scenery behind me. Got to get out, get fresh air, get your joints moving, get your muscles filling with blood. All right, arms up. Cactus arms open. We have the upper and lower body competing here with this bend. We want to hinge forward, but we lean back, activating the core, always making it a challenge. If there's no challenge involved, there's nothing happening. Got to have that spark, got to have that opposition happening for positive change to happen. Not just change, but positive change. All right, other side. Mermaid Merman. When you're ready, start the flow. Seems to be a duck day at the pond. So go here and then we bring it up. Ooh, little adjustments, little movements happening. things being set back where they need to go. Let me open up here a little further. Okay. In this 30 days of yoga too, I want every class to stand alone, have its own personality, its own challenges, its own flow. And I love that challenge. I like the challenge of keeping it fresh. It's fresh for me, it's fresh for you. We like fresh food. I don't eat stale fruit or vegetables. I like them fresh. Why not make our workouts that way? Okay. All right, once more. Bring it up and back. Oh, that's nice. And now forward. And we rise up, shake out the arms and legs. Again, always a beautiful shakeout. Okay, I wrote down a lot of goodies here, but let's go to a wide-legged forward fold, active. What that means is we're gonna tuck the chin, we're gonna go up and down, stack the spine, inhale up, lifting, 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 shoulders back and down, arms up, back bend. Enjoy my pooch, my Wisconsin pooch, cactus arms, and then dive down. Inhale up, stacking that beautiful spine. Emphasizing the openness, the tall posture. Cactus arms. 2 more. Link by link, in the chain, in the spine. All right, lead with the crown of the head, dive down. And rise up. I'm slipping, I'm sliding, I don't care. I just don't care. C'est égal. Cactus arms, and let's go into our wide-legged forward fold with a twist. Hand down, reach up, inhale. Back and forth. Woo, feels a little tight. I guarantee after a few repetitions with the breath, it will open up. You'll forget where you began. Be so excited with the expansion of your movement. All right, let's hold it on the side. 3 breaths. And other side, drifting down, but lift tall and strong. And down, side lunge. We'll explore this further in the upcoming videos, of course. Side lunge, a thing of beauty, reaching out. Hips are open, tailbone reaching towards the ground. And we come to the center into garland, wide stance, hands on the thighs or forearms, or bring it all the way down. Hands together, the rocking back and forth. You can dip a knee down. Good, energize the joints. All right, my friends, we have Side lunge on the other side. Find your balance, fingers down or arms forward. 5 breaths. It's the good life. All right, back to the garland. Pick up where you left off. Little Tony Bennett. Always bring in the crooners to the flows. There's definitely a smooth quality about that music. I guarantee I'm the only one by this pond doing this exercise. Oh wait, someone else is doing it over there. I guarantee I'm only one of 2 doing this exercise by the lake. All right, seated position, shake it out. Ooh. Let's finish off with our folding leaf stretch flow once again. Feet about hip width apart, exhale forward. Check the improvement from the beginning. That was about what, 15, 20 minutes ago? Exhale forward. You're smushing the backs of your legs down. Inhale, stack. And then get used to this. We want this. Relax the jaw, relax the neck, tuck the chin slightly, and then hinge. Rise up. I like it. One more time. One more time. One more time. Can you tell I haven't filmed in about a week, really? I'm just bursting, I'm busted. So good to be back. Shoulders back and down, a couple shoulder rolls. Beautiful work, my friends. Day 16. Today's random question. What's your favorite music album of all time? I was mulling it over, I have plenty. The one that comes to mind, though, I listened to quite a bit, is Depeche Mode Violator, I believe 1991. That's one of them that comes to mind. There's always more. And subscribe, click that notification bell to never miss one of these flows. Like and keep sharing it on. Share it with the internet. Share it with the universe, wherever you share it. Share it over there with that guy who's pointing just like me. I'll see you tomorrow for day 17, my friends. God bless you. And remember, always relax your shoulders. Yeah.